Okay, 2014 Porsche Cayman. We've got some collision on the door here. You can see this. Um, there's no telling. Could have been a shopping cart. Could have been a door, truck door. It's up pretty high, and uh, it's got a little bit of paint in it from a. Yeah, it was definitely another car. It's got paint in it, so it's probably somebody's door. And 2019 Porsche Cayman. I'm gonna do the paintless dent repair on it, and the shop took the door panel off, but it's right underneath the brace. So I'm gonna have to use a whale tail to lift it up, and in this middle area right here, because the brace is going like right here and right here. So I'm not going to be able to get behind it with a regular tool. And so anyway, collision work. This isn't hail damage; it's collision. It's got paint in it from another car, which should buff right out. So 2019 Porsche Cayman.